Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to request money using Zelle, whether you're using the Zelle app directly or Zelle through your bank's mobile app. To get started, open the Zelle app or sign into your bank's mobile app that supports Zelle. Once you're logged in, look for the Zelle section on the main screen. Tap on the option that says Request. Next, choose the contact you want to request money from. If the person isn't already using Zelle, you'll be prompted to invite them first before you can send the request. If you're using your phone contacts for the first time, you may need to tap Allow or Access Contacts so the app can find people who use Zelle. You can also manually enter the recipient's phone number or email address. After selecting the contact, enter the amount of money you want to request and tap Review. You can add a memo if you want, explaining what the request is for. Once everything looks correct, tap Request. When the recipient approves a request and sends the payment, the money will be deposited into your account, usually within minutes. If you're using Zelle through your bank app, like Bank of America, for example, the steps are very similar. Open the bank app, go to Pay and Transfer, or Zelle, tap Request, choose or enter the contact, enter the amount, select the account where you want the money deposited, and then confirm the request. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you learn how to request money with Zelle, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.